We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and we're looking at a 2017 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra. This one is in vivid black, has the silver pinstriping on it. Bike is also equipped with ABS. Has rider and passenger floorboards, heel toe shifter, and tons of storage. We have a trunk, we have a top case, and a luggage rack. Everything locks. .107 Milwaukee 8 engine. Speakers on the passenger backrest. This thing also has cruise control. Lots of places to plug in accessories. Nice touchscreen infotainment center for navigation. We run on a fob, so we're keyless, and miles are 25,572. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.